We are currently at that time of the year where everyone is writing out their New Year resolution. You're saying this new year you're going to start a business. This new year you're going to get a gym membership card. You're going to work out, lose weight, or probably you're saying this new year you're going to make $100,000 online, or you've been promising yourself that you start a new YouTube channel. You have been writing New Year resolutions year to year. How many of them have you achieved? Let me tell you the truth. Only 9% of people that are writing resolutions are actually going to succeed. That might sound harsh, right? Good. Because I want you to understand the severity of this situation. You say 2024 is going to be your year. It might not. Why? Because there is a war. There is a war on your time. Dozens of million-dollar companies are waging war against your time. And they won't stop until they get it. They won't stop until every last minute of your time is spent on their platform. All the billions, all the updates, nothing is random. Everything is planned. And all these are for one thing: your attention. They already know that you have very little amount of focus and attention to give, and it is impossible to focus on everything at the same time. In fact, in recent research published on Science magazine, study shows that we spend 46.9% of our time with our minds straying from tasks we plan to do. This is almost half of our day gone. Gone to what? Gone to not being able to focus. Being sincere, how many times have you picked up your phone to check for a few seconds what is going on online, and then boom, you end up seeing that you spent couples of hours scrolling online? You scrolled on Facebook, scrolled on TikTok, scrolled on Instagram and the rest. And most of the time you don't consume valuable content. You just do this for entertainment. Yes, this is what they want. They want to steal your time. An average person spends 30% of their time on their phone today. That is, an average person spends 4 hours, 12 minutes on their phone. Let's put this into perspective. In 2019, an average person spent about 12% of their entire day to 70% of their entire day now. If you don't want to spend a third of your life just staring at screen, if you don't want to keep on disappointing yourself year after year, if you don't want to keep on disappointing your family, your friends, and the entire generation that is going to come from you, ask yourself this question: are you going to be part of the 91% that fails year after year, or are you gonna be part of the 9% that succeed? Question yourself about your New Year resolution. Restructure it, give it time, nurture it, be accountable, set goals, set milestones. This is a decision only you can make.